Squarespace version 7.1 is a brand new take on our design system, offering more streamlined options for adding content and styling your site. In this video, we'll go over the new features available to Squarespace users and discuss the differences between version 7 and 7.1. Both versions have many features in common. For example, commerce transactions, analytics, SEO settings, and domains are all exactly the same on both platforms. Although there are many exciting features in the new version, the biggest difference between version 7 and 7.1, to put it simply, is templates. In both versions, you start by choosing a professionally designed template from our template store, which ensures all elements across your site are styled in a modern and beautiful way. But in version 7, many design options, for example, blogs, galleries, layouts, index pages, and more, are tied to your template. In most cases, the only way to change the design options is to switch your template. Now, with version 7.1, all websites have access to the same collection layouts without requiring a template switch. Not only can you use these designs without switching templates, you can use multiple different styles within the context of the same site. The brand new version offers much greater flexibility and ease of use when you're building and styling your pages. When you create a new 7.1 website and begin adding content, you'll have access to a catalog of over 100 pre-built sections that are flexible to your brand's needs. A new page catalog provides dozens of pre-built starting pages as well. This makes it fast and easy to create striking new layouts for your brand with text, images, galleries, and more. And if you like starting from scratch, you can also start with a blank page or section. One new feature in version 7.1 is the portfolio page, a stylized landing page which links visitors to subpages. This is a great way to showcase multiple galleries, projects, portfolio highlights, and other content all in one place. You can also now add banner images to any page, simply by creating sections with background images or background videos. When it comes time to style your website, Squarespace version 7.1 has some exciting new features. With color palettes and themes, you'll pick from pre-built color palettes to generate a set of themes for your site. The best part about it? If your brand already has an established color palette, you can design your own using our Palette Builder tool, or by uploading a photo. To create even more diversity and visual distinctions in your website's design, you can give each section its very own color theme. Edit sections by using the pencil icon to make individual section changes, or make global changes in the design panel. Another feature for styling your site is font packs. Now you can quickly switch between pre-built and curated font packs that fit the style and brand across your site. Header and footer layouts were linked to a template choice on version 7, but now with version 7.1, a website can feature any header or footer option, making it easier to switch between layouts, add buttons, shopping carts, calls to action, or social icons. With footers, you're even able to add multiple sections. We're really looking forward to seeing what you build with all these new features. Please let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.